The city of Austin looking into a new ordinance to crack down on noisy cars.
Some people say loud cars and motorcycles are just too much. They disrupt sleep and they're dangerous, they say. KVUE's Michael Courier joins us now to explain the proposal and when council could vote on it. Hi, Michael.
Yeah, Brian, Yvonne, good morning. Well, this new draft ordinance really provides a guideline to Austin police on how to deal with engine noise or really any other loud and disturbing vehicle noises altogether across Austin neighborhoods. Now, this includes excessive revving, unnecessary acceleration, or braking when there's no emergency. The proposed rules don't specify a decibel limit. Instead, they leave enforcement up to an officer's discretion. Councilmember Mark Duchin's office helped craft the plan. He says the problem is not just seen on the roads in his district near 2222 and 360, but other districts as well.
So just really want to reinforce that our goal here is to serve communities and help them address their quality of life issues. And knowing that it's happening not just on my roads, but other districts is one reason that we're trying to take a responsible and aggressive approach.
The ordinance says officers would use their judgment when deciding if a vehicle's noise violates the rule. They consider factors like how loud it is, whether it's unusual, the time of day, how long it lasts, how close it is to homes, and whether it's a repeated problem, not just normal traffic noise. Now, Austin Police plan to bring the proposed ordinance to the full city council for a vote on March 26. Reporting in North Austin, Michael Courier, KVUE News.